Our focus of attention during the last review was on this head and shoulders reversal pattern. So here is the neckline going through. Price has now broken up through that with a degree of attitude, albeit over the short term, and that's certainly a step in the right direction. So what we want to see now is a continuation higher without pause. Look, there is a chance that we get a few more days to the downside. It sometimes occurs that price will rotate, retest this neckline, and then head higher. The ultimate target, from a head and shoulders perspective at least, is this region right up here, which shows good confluence with the typical retracement zone, and in actual fact the resistance level here sitting slightly above. So there is a good area of confluence around that $32, $34 region. That would be our medium term target. That said, we do have a couple of headwinds. First and foremost, we've basically meandered sideways over the past few months. Very choppy, messy price action running through here. Overlapping wave structures obviously winning the day, and really until we can break up through this prior pivot high here, we just have to remain slightly skeptical. Yes, we are heading higher with a degree of attitude over the short term, but much will depend on what transpires when we hit this smaller degree wave equality projection. If we do head up to there and see signs of sellers, then it could be that we rotate all the way back down in another ABC correction movement. The only problem with that is that it takes us right back into this consolidation phase, this base building exercise, and that really isn't what we want to see. The ideal situation is that we break higher with a degree of attitude straight up through that wave equality projection, and if we can get up through there, the high of wave 4 back here, then definitely confident that we can rotate up to our next target area, which is just above this $30 region, perhaps even up to this $33, $34 area. Difficult to get too enthusiastic. Look, longer term, the company shows very weak weak relative strength. Technically, it has been damaged quite significantly, so as such, we'll just take one pattern at a time. So for now, that means concentrating on this wave equality projection, and really we need to see some impetus to get up through there. We're certainly seeing a nice increase in volume. That's exactly what we need to see. We need to see very similar volume traits during the up move. If we can get up through that wave equality projection, then rotating up towards this head and shoulders target in pretty quick fashion.